Hi, I'm Rosie Greaves. I'm from Western Australia. I have had the opportunity to be involved in a CfBT Ministry of Education joint projects, include both teacher support and student support programs. I've recently been involved in national teacher support, delivering professional development sessions on assessment setting and effective use of resources in teaching and learning. Delivering PD sessions has challenged me and put me out of my comfort zone, leading to development of new skill sets. Co-creating the sessions with others increased my confidence in delivering to other teachers. As part of effective resource use, I was part of a teacher team creating a national resource pack for teachers and students in upper primary. This had a really positive impact on my own teaching, as I was testing out the new materials as we were developing them. This experience increased my overall knowledge of ESL and developed my ability to create effective and contextualised resources that align to the Brunei curriculum. An added benefit to participating in these projects is the opportunity to meet and connect with a large number of Bruneian colleagues from all around Brunei. It's something I value and really enjoy. There are many opportunities like this through CfBT, and I look forward to the next one.